Wonderful. Thank you very much. And thanks for having me. It's a big pleasure to have this opportunity. As mentioned and kindly introduced by Hentschel, my name is Marte Hentschel. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Sqetch, a B2B tech platform for sustainable fashion production. So fashion is not only the third largest consumer goods industry in the world, it's also known to be the second most polluting one and the least resource efficient industry in the world. And if you look at the apparel supply chain, then it's incredible how outdated, offline and opaque supply chains work today, as supply chains are the backbone of the fashion industry. If you want to produce a t-shirt, for example, not a very complex product, then this t-shirt travels around 70,000 kilometers around the globe, and there are more than 20 companies involved until it arrives at the point of sale. And this is especially interesting when you understand in what kind of transformation the industry is actually in, as many brands and retailers painfully experienced how high minimum order requirements and slow production and long lead times are affecting their business, as they are sitting on piles of stock today. So this is what we want to change, and this is what we already change with Sqetch, as we make sustainable fashion production incredibly easy. So with our solution, we help our users to boost their sustainability performance. We help them to produce on demand with short lead times, where on-demand production is really the holy grail of fashion production today. And we give them access to high quality and reliable sources. We do this by an easy to use interface that allow our users to collaboratively manage supply chain in the cloud, with live data in real time, independent from where they are in the world and the device they want to use. We automate supply chain management, and we are also part of the digital revolution of fashion, as our solution, our system integrates into the daily workflow of our users' business practices. So this is how our solution looks like in its very core. You see the sourcing engine that recommends brands and buyers to manufacturers and suppliers based on their needs and matches them. And we combine this with a production management solution that streamlines the production step by step. And we also support our users to optimize their purchasing decisions and create better products, as we offer them an impact analysis tool and a product footprint optimization forecasting by the use of artificial intelligence. We serve three business segments. One, as mentioned, are brands and buyers. The second are manufacturers and suppliers. And the third are service and solution providers. So we basically cover the entire supply chain. And as mentioned initially, this market is really huge. Global apparel manufacturing alone generates about 700 billion euro a year, and there are 1.2 million apparel manufacturers involved, and this is only the assembly stage of only a part of the supply chain. Sqetch currently has 34,000 member businesses globally, of which roughly 50% are located in Europe, and over the past month they managed an order volume of more than 11 million euro in more than 4,000 orders on the platform. We developed a multi-portfolio revenue model that adds transaction fees to the software as a service subscription model, and also adds on specialist services like business intelligence tools and analytics and forecasting for the ones that want to dig a bit deeper. And we bring to the table a fully committed, talented and experienced team based in Berlin and Amsterdam, with complementary skills, experience and expertise, from leadership and industry expertise to IT and product to agile management and marketing and sales. We serve some of the most iconic brands in our user base, but also some of the key players we have in our industry. And we're here today as we're currently running a seed round seeking 1.2 million euro, offering 20% of shares to our company. And a couple of facts probably: we started in 2015, we went break even in 2020, and we're closed this year with a bit more than 800,000 euro revenue and roughly 160,000 euro EBIT. And now I'm stopping my presentation, and I'm really looking forward to your questions, and thank you for your attention.
It was a great presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be waiting for 2 minutes for the questions. And if not, I'm sure you will get many questions followed by the session as well, because people get time to kind of look around the pitch deck. And so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, hi Marte. My question is, this is your first round, or have you raised any funding before this?
We actually did a FFF round in 2017, and also we acquired a startup loan also in 2017. So this is our first VC round.
So going to use their funding for this?
The main purpose of the capital use is marketing and sales. So there's a huge momentum at the moment. Once the pre-pandemic recovery boosts, then we want to be out and loud as we actually focus on development and market share and mind share in the past 1.5 years. So 40% of the proceeds will be invested in marketing and sales. Of course, there's a very detailed plan and strategy behind. Probably this is not the right time for all the details, but I'd be happy to share in a follow-on conversation or exchange.
Definitely. Yeah, that's it from us.
Okay, thank you, Shahu. Thank you, Marte, for the presentation. We will be in touch with you for the future discussions. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.